trying a new restaurant, Leesburg, Virginia, to try out their old fashioned. Let's get it going. And today we're at Fire Bar. Super cozy place, beautiful wood fire as soon as you walk in.
Oh, this is real, dude. That's real.
Very, very dark and intimate. Arguably one of the dopest looking bars as far as the lighting is concerned. We do 0 through 1 on ambiance of the restaurant. We're gonna go full 1 off this. We do 0 through 3 on appearance, the first couple sips, and the overall experience. Max score you can get is 10 so far. They got a full 1. This is the always in fashion, $14 price point. They're using Elijah Craig bourbon, cinnamon, apple, walnut bitters. Nice festive fall/winter cocktail. Nice size glass, torch cinnamon, always looks cool. Giant cube, however, no clarified ice. First couple sips. First couple sips, definitely on the sweeter side. It's very, very apple and cinnamon forward. Obviously, this is a riff off of the old-fashioned recipe. First couple sips, I'm not mad at it. And for the overall experience, we'll see you at the bottom. It's actually very, very consistent throughout the first couple sips and that last big gulp.
Big gulps, huh? Well, see you later.
All right, final scores, we're gonna go appearance, 2-3. First couple sips, 2-2. And for overall, we're just gonna drop it a little bit because they don't have clarified ice. We're gonna go 2-1. Fire Bar, which has a fire bar in Leesburg, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers, 7.6. Cheers.